So last class we have done sum of n terms of AP. That formula we have started. Few questions we have done. We are starting with more questions now. Write down please. If the sum of n terms of AP, if the sum of n terms of AP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, where P and Q are constants. Find the common difference of this AP. Find common difference of AP. Question is find common difference of AP. Find common difference of AP. पूरा कर दे इसको खींच लेना बस ठीक है sum of n terms of AP is given as Pn plus Qn is square.
2Q.
Answer is 2Q, yes. Now here one more formula I should tell to here. You can do it directly also by taking n as 1, 2, 3 and then you can complete the question. Another way is just note here nth term will be sum of n minus sum of n minus 1 term. This formula now you should remember, you can use it. Sum of n terms, nth term if you want, that will be sum of n minus 1 term. N terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms always give you nth term. And one result already we have done, that is D is an minus 1. So I can use these two results and I can find out D. Sn is this. So when you apply this formula, what it will come? Pn plus Qn square minus Sn minus 1 means Pn minus 1 plus Q times n minus 1 whole square. Now when you solve it, it will come Pn plus Qn square minus. Then when you solve it, it will come Pn minus P plus Q times n square minus 2n plus 1. Now when you solve it, it will be Pn plus Qn square minus. When you solve it, it will be Pn minus P plus of Qn square minus of 2Qn and then plus of Q. Pn and Pn get cancelled out, Qn square and Qn square get cancelled out. Left is what? Plus P so what I can get here? An now I am getting as plus of P, then minus of Q, plus of 2Qn. This is the nth term we got. Is it right? After getting this, now I want D to be calculated. So D you can calculate when your An is known. So An is this, so I calculate D now. First is An. An means P minus Q plus 2Qn minus 2Q into n minus 1. So P minus Q plus 2Qn minus P plus Q minus 2Qn plus of 2Q. Then something cancel out. 2Qn cancel out. P cancel out. Q cancel out, you get your answer as 2Q. So hence the common difference come out to be 2Q. So this way you can complete it, or you can start with A1, A2, A3. You can get by S1, S2, S3, and S2 minus S1 will give you first term, and that way you can solve the question. That is not a problem. That is your choice, but method I told you that you should keep it. This is an NCERT problem. We have done this. Next question, please. If mth term of AP, if mth term of AP is 1 by n, if mth term of AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m, my question is find out sum of mn terms. Question is find what is sum of mn terms here. AM is 1 by n, AN is 1 by m. Sum of mn terms we want. So when you want sum of mn terms, what I do here, first I'll write this as a plus m minus 1 into d. This I'll write a plus n minus 1 into d. So now I got two equations here. And if I got two equations, A and D, I can calculate. To get this, what I do here, 1 by n minus 1 by m is equal to, because you are subtracting it, so A get cancelled out. Now what left? D is common in the 2. I got it m minus 1 minus n minus 1. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be mn is our LCM. It will come m minus n. And here 1 and 1 get cancelled out, so it will be m minus n into d. M minus n clearly cancel out, so I got d is coming 1 by mn. And if it is known, I can get now a also. To get a, we will take first equation. I get it 1 by n is a plus m minus 1. D will be 1 by mn now. And now when you solve it, what this result comes? It will come 1 by n is equal to a plus m, or just I'll take this term that side, a minus m minus 1, 1 by n minus, this is mn coming a.
Sir, is the answer mn plus 1 by 2?
Yes, mn plus 1 by 2. So here we will take the LCM as mn. So it will come out to be m minus m plus 1 is a. So a is also coming 1 by mn. And now they are asking sum of mn terms. So when you want sum of mn terms, it will be n by 2 to a. To a means 2, 1 by mn plus. Then I get it mn minus 1 into d. D will be 1 by mn. Then what this result will become? Mn by 2. LCM will be mn here. Left is what? 2 plus mn minus 1. This mn and mn cancel out. So I got the answer 1 plus mn by 2. This is the answer. Next question, please. How many terms are there in the series 20, 19 1/3, 18 to third, so on, which makes the sum as 300. Which makes the sum as 300. Which makes the sum as 300. Why? Just explain why you have double answer. Explain why we have double answer here. Why we have double answer.
So what is the sum?
Sum is 300. Sum is given as 300. My question is, how many terms are there which will make sum 300? And why we have double answer, you should tell that also. You have to explain why it is. What is A in this case? 20. What is D? Minus 2 by 3. Let the sum of n terms is 300. So Sn is what? N by 2. 2a means 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into d will be minus 2 by 3. Now, this 2 can go this side, or this is 300 already, we know. This is value 300. So 2 will go this side, so it will become 600. And here it will left n. Here I'll take the LCM as 3. So it will come out to be how much? 120 minus of 2n plus of 2. And then this 3 goes this side. 1800 is here, equal to. This is 122 now. So 122n minus of 2n square. Now we solve it. 2n square minus 122n plus of 1800 coming 0. 2 we can take common, so left is n square minus 61n.
Yes, plus 900.
Plus 900 is coming 0. Middle term splitting. Yes, please. What is the factors we have in this question? Bolo bhai. We will write this as n square minus 36n minus 25n plus 900 is equal to 0. Then when you solve it, n minus 36 minus 25, then n minus 36 is coming 0. So n is either 25 or n is coming 36. So either 25 terms you take or you take 36 terms, we have the same sum, 300. Means A1 plus A2 till A25, that sum is 300. And another says A1 plus A2 till A25, then come A26 till how much? A36. That is also 300. That means one thing is clear, that this result is actually 0. If it is 0, then you can say that this sum and this sum both are come out to be 300. So only the thing we have to prove why this is there, because 26 to 36 terms, the sum is come out to be 0. So if it is coming 0, then we will say yes, it is valid, otherwise no. So we will show that what is the sum of 26, 27 till 36 term sum? When you want, this will be the first term you will be having. How many total terms will be there?
Sir, 11.
11 terms will be there. Yes. So we will have 11 term sum now. We find out sum here 11 by 2. 2a. So twice a26 plus, or I'll say a26 plus a36. You can write this way also. First term plus the last term. Then I'll get it 11 by 2. 26 term will be what? A plus 25d. Here it will come a plus 35d. Or when you solve it, what it will come? 11 by 2. This will be a plus 8 will be 2a. 25 plus 35. How much it is? 60?
Yes.
60d. Now you know the value of a and we know the value of d. Yes? And this 2 you can take common and cancel it. So 11 a plus 30d. Just check.
31st term should be 0.
A will be, this is what? A is what?
Sir, 20 and D is minus 2 by 3.
A is 20 and D will be what?
Minus 2 by 3.
Minus 2 by 3. So when you solve it, this will come 10 minus 20 plus 20. Yes, it is coming 0. So we will say yes, because 26 to 36 terms in this AP gives the sum 0. That's why we have two answers. And keep in mind, whenever the common difference come out to be negative, you will be having two answers. इसी तरह का कोई केस बनेगा. So keep in mind, whenever common difference will.
Sir, can it be the case?
हाँ?
Sir, ऐसा भी कोई केस बन सकता है क्या जिसके अंदर we have the values till 25 coming 0?
नहीं, 25 0 तक मतलब फर्स्ट से 25 तक 0 आ जाए.
हाँ सर, कोई एपी ऐसी बनती है क्या कि
इस केस में तो नहीं है, क्योंकि आपको पहली सारी टर्म कैसी दिखाई दे रही है? प्लस दिखाई दे रही है.
हाँ,
तो फिर आपका 25 तक का सम 0 नहीं हो सकता. और इफ यू वांट टू सी दैट यू कैन चेक इट. भाई
नो सर, आई एम आस्किंग कि किसी एपी के अंदर ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या जैसे फर्स्ट सेट तक 0?
बिल्कुल हो सकता है. फर्स्ट 50 टर्म्स का सम 0 हो सकता है, 50 25 का 0 हो सकता है. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वेश्चन. वो हो सकता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट इस केस में नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आप करके देख लो, आपको ये रिजल्ट 0 अगर नहीं आता तब हम 25 वाला देखते हैं. बट 25 वाला तो ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 300. सम पहले ही दे रखा है कि 300 है. तो 25 पे भी सम 300 था और बाकी आपका 36 पे भी 100 है. इसका मतलब कौन 0 होगा? केवल 26 से 36 से 0 हो सकता है, बाकी तो पॉसिबल नहीं है.
ओके सर.
सर ऐसा एग्जाम में भी दिखाना पड़ेगा कि ये रेंज ऑफ नंबर 0 हो रहे हैं?
Yes, we have to, because we are asking you explain why it is so. If we are not asking, then you can give only the answer. Next question, please. The sum of first p terms. Sum of first p terms, q terms, and r terms are A, B, and C. Of an AP. The sum of P terms, sum of Q terms, sum of R terms of an AP are small ABC. Then question is show. What do you have to show? A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q comes out to be 0. This is the question. We have to prove A by P into Q minus R plus B by Q into R minus P plus C by R into P minus Q is coming 0. This we have to prove in the question.
Sir, same AP. Sir, these are terms of same AP, right?
Yes, same AP is there. Sum of P terms, sum of Q terms, sum of R terms. Of same AP I am saying. So what this will come?
P by 2,
P by 2.
2 capital
2 capital A will take because A is already there.
plus P minus
Plus P minus 1 capital D I'll write. This I'll get Q by 2. This will be 2A plus Q minus 1 capital T here. And same way we will say it will be R by 2. 2A plus R minus 1 into T. So I have 3 equations now. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Then I need A by P. So I take this P from here to here. And this 2 also I take here. So I can write 2A by P. This I'll write twice of B by Q. And this I'll say twice of C by R. We are getting this. 2 can be removed, that is not a problem because other side is 0. I want A by P into Q minus R. So what I do here, I will multiply this whole equation by Q minus R. This whole equation I will multiply with R minus P. And this whole equation we will multiply with P minus Q. Now we add these 3. When you add this, it will come this into this. That is 2A by P into Q minus R plus this sum twice B by Q into R minus P plus 2C into P minus Q by R is equal to. Now check. This into 2A, this into 2A, this into 2A. I'll add these 3, so 2A will be common in all. What left inside? Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Same way now this multiply with Q minus R.
Common आ जाएगा.
In this D will be common. What left? P minus 1 into Q minus R. Plus second will be
R minus
R minus P into Q minus 1. And then plus
P minus Q into R minus
P minus Q into R minus 1. Now when you solve it, this part clearly get cancelled out. Same way if you open this part, this will also come 0. ये भी आप खोल के देख लो, PQ आएगा, PR minus Q plus R. Solve it, all the terms get cancelled out here. So automatically what my answer comes?
फिर इसमें 2 common लेना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
0 आ जाएगा.
I got this result as this, twice, twice and twice. This is coming 0. And that 2 can be removed because 2 can be taken common and other side is 0. So the no meaning of it. Left is A by P into Q minus R, B by Q into R minus P, C by R into P minus Q is coming 0. Hence next question, please. Another NCERT problem. This was NCERT problem. Now we have one more NCERT problem. Note it, please. Sum of n terms, 2n terms, and 3n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms, sum of 2n terms, and sum of 3n terms are in AP of an AP are S1, S2, and S3. Sum of n terms, sum of 2n terms, sum of 3n terms of an AP are S1, S2, and S3. Then my question is, prove that S3 will be 3 times S2 minus S1. ये आपको prove करना है. Prove that S3 will be 3 times of S2 minus S1. So any one side you start and bring the other side. And better will be you put the values here and you will try to get S3. Now, as same AP is there, S1 will be what? It will be sum of n terms, so n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t.
And
Sum of 2n terms, so it will be 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into t. And S3 comes out to be 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into t. So I got S1, I got S2, I got S3. Now I go for S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1, what it will come? 2n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 2n minus 1 into d. Minus n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
n minus 2.
Right? Now I take n by 2 common in all. Because n by 2 you need. So I'll take n by 2. And one more thing needed here. I want this will be 3 times. So यहाँ भी हम 3 बाहर लगा देते हैं. 3. Then 3 will be already there and n by 2 we are taking common. So outside is 3n by 2. What left? 2 here. It will be 2a plus
2n
minus 1 into d. Then minus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be 3n by 2, 4a plus, what this will come? 2 times 2n minus 1 into d,
4 and d.
minus 2a and then minus of n minus 1 into d. Now when you solve it, it will come 3n by 2, 4a minus 2a will be 2a. This will come out to be plus 4nd minus of 2d minus of nd minus of plus of d, right?
So like minus 2
Minus 2a gone. 4a minus 2a is 2a. Then left is 4nd minus 2d. Then come out to be minus nd plus of d. Then we write this as 2a
3 and d.
plus ये हो गया 3nd minus d. And when you solve it, it will come out to be 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Is it your S3? Yes. We got the sum of 3n terms. So this is coming equal to S3. Right, next question please. The sum of first m terms of an AP is same if the sum of first m terms of an AP is same as the sum of first n terms. Show that sum of m plus n terms is 0. Show that, hello, show that sum of m plus n terms is 0. हेलो, हाँ मैम नमस्कार। नहीं बोलिए, काम है तो मैं आ जाऊंगा। अच्छा ठीक है, हाँ, ठीक। Yes, please. Sum of m plus n terms we want. Sum of first m terms of AP is same as sum of n terms of AP. Sum of m terms is sum of n terms given in the question. You have to show that sum of m plus n terms is 0. So what I do here in this case, m by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here it will come n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we solve it. 2m a by 2, right or no? Plus m into m minus 1 d by 2. Here it will come 2an by 2 plus n into n minus 1 d by 2. Then I'll take these two terms together. A will be common. हाँ भाई ठीक है, 2 से
2 कैंसिल हो रहा था ना स्टार्टिंग।
2 से 2 काटना है, काट दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ये लो 2 से 2 कट गया। Now it will come out to be ma minus na, first term. And in this term, d by 2 is common in all. So what it will come, m into m minus 1 minus n into n minus 1 is coming 0. Then we will write a times m minus n. Here it will come out to be d by 2. M square minus m minus n square plus of n coming 0. Then comes out to be a m minus n plus d by 2. यहाँ m square minus n square हो जाएगा, and minus is common, so m minus n is 0. So I got it a times m minus n. M minus n will be common in it. Come out to be d by 2. It will be m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. Then I got m minus n is common. What left? A plus d by 2 m plus n minus 1 equal to 0. This can never be 0. M is equal to n cannot be 0 because if you will take m is equal to n, there will be no meaning of question. am is equal to am हो जाएगा, that is not a problem. तो वो तो obvious solve होगा, इसलिए उसको नहीं लेंगे. So this cannot be taken 0. ये हटा दो. Then 2 can be taken LCM here. Yes or no? क्या
Yes sir. 2a plus
m plus
m plus
minus 1 into d is coming 0.
n plus n.
Right or no? No meaning of this 2 left. We got this result is 0. और ये टर्म आपकी sum of m plus
सर अब इसको m plus n by 2 को
yes m plus n by 2 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. ये पार्ट आपका clearly 0 आ रहा है. Result come out to be 0. Next question please.
सर आज अप्लाइड मैथ्स वाली क्लास है क्या?
हाँ है ना, मैम की है क्लास, आज मेरी नहीं है. मेरी क्लास कल होगी. The ratio of sum of m and n terms, the ratio of sum of m and n terms of an AP is m square ratio n square. the ratio of sum of m and n terms of same AP is m square ratio n square. Show that the ratio of mth term to nth term is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. This we have to prove. Show that the ratio of mth term to nth term is 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1.
इसमें माइनस करेंगे क्या sm माइनस s
No. Solve it. Whatever given condition. This we have to prove. Leave it. Start with this. We will write this as m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Right or no? This is nothing but n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
2 and 2 comes.
And this is coming m square by n square. So this 2 gone, m and n also gone. This n now multiply this side, so I got it 2am plus m times m minus 1d. And here it will come 2a, sorry, it is n. N will multiply, so 2an.
हाँ
And this side it will m multiply, so 2am plus m times n minus 1 into d. Now I'll take 2a terms on one side, so 2a n minus m. And here we will take plus n times m minus 1 minus m times n minus 1 into d is coming 0. Then I'll write 2a, it is n minus m, plus here it will come nm minus n minus mn plus m coming equal to 0.
m and m
mn and mn cancel out. This is also m minus n